I'm here with Trevor from the Weston Nurseries. And Trevor, can you tell us what you're doing here at Harrington School?
So today at Harrington School, we are creating a pollinator garden designed, it's actually an outdoor garden lab. So this garden lab is going to allow students, really K through 5, to come out and learn about ecology and ecosystems. They're going to learn about plant and pollinator relationships that we'll have and how all of this fits into the ecosystem at large. So like we talked about in the classroom, how we have a very small ecosystem in our garden, which is a part of the larger ecosystem, which is the school campus, and the larger, which is Lexington, and we went out and out and out. We got really big in the classroom. Kids went all the way out to the universe. But it's all part of that ecosystem. What's very special about this is that each student has been able to study the plant. So they understand their plants. They understand the friends, which are the pollinators that visit the plant. So that's also very cool. And each one of these plants is picked to service an endangered pollinator species, whether that be a bee or a butterfly. So our pollinator species are endangered right now. And so all of these plants are specific food for those endangered species. So that's really what we're doing. And we're also just playing in the dirt and getting grimy.
Wonderful.
Out in Bowman Schoolyard, and we had our second grade curriculum that said nature's partners. I reached out to as many organizations as I could, and in flew Trevor Smith, and there's just no better feeling than what we've done in these classes, and we hope to have more time where now that it's called the Pollinator Garden Lab, so hopefully we can get it to connect with curriculum in all grades.
Hello, my name is Jack, and I am at Harrington Elementary School in Lexington. I planted the Pennsylvania sedge in the pollinator garden. It goes 6 to 12 inches tall. It needs shade and not a lot of water.
What plant are you planting?
Blue cardinal flower.
How much sunlight does it need?
A little bit.
How much water?
A lot.
How tall does it grow?
Like, I think 4 inches.
Wow, that's cool. Thanks for your information. Bye.
Remind me the name of this plant here.
White turtle head.
Wow, fascinating. So I have Lucas here. He's actually researched this white turtle head plant, and now he's going to get a chance to plant it into the soil at Harrington School. What do you feel about that?
Happy.
Yeah? Does it feel like you're finally getting to see this plant in action?
Yeah.
Wow, fascinating. So it looks like Andy's already down in the dirt here. Andy, tell me how that feels. How does that soil feel?
Very wet.
Is that good for this turtle head plant?
Yes.
Perfect. Are you ready to get your hands dirty?
Yes.
All right, let's see you go for it. How do you think you're going to get the plant out of that pot?
We flip it over on our hand, and then we just take the bucket out, and then we just flip it over in the soil. So you flip it over like this.
Nice work. All right, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Perfect. Catch it. Drop it. Perfect. Nice job.
What plant I researched is the spotted bee balm.
How much water does it need?
Still a little bit.
How much sunlight?
Still a little.
How tall does it grow?
It grows 3 to 4 feet tall, and it kind of looks like a pineapple and stuff.
Thanks for your information. Bye.
I have to say that this project came out of teacher passion for the idea of getting kids outside and working in nature and understanding some of the dynamics of plants and insects. And so this is our second grade class that's come today. And this is the product of their work to think about what it means to research and design and build a garden, and then plan it out and research their plants and become real experts. And now today they're collaboratively planting. Some of them have been gracious in planting plants that they didn't do their research on, with the end result being a beautiful native plants pollinator garden that we're hoping kids and teachers and central office and the community can learn from. Just a wonderful habitat that will allow us to continue our learning, kindergarten through grade 5.
My name is Becca, and I have butterfly weed as my plant. and it grows up to 1 to 2.5 feet tall, and it needs like full sun and like dry to medium dry.
My name is August, and I'm here today at the garden in Harrington. And I planted the broadleaf mountain mint, and it's right here. It gets its name because it smells like kind of like grown-up toothpaste. That's really minty, to be honest. It grows to 48 inches, and it doesn't need a bunch of water or sun, so I placed it right in the middle.
All right, here, and we're planting a bunch of pollinator garden plants, right, Stella?
Yes.
What plant did you have?
The Carolina rose.
Whoa, and tell me a little bit about it. How big? What color is it?
What plant did you research? I researched the Pennsylvania sedge. How much water does it need? It doesn't need too much. How much sunlight does it need? Not a lot. How tall does it grow? 6 to 12 inches. So Melina, what color is your plant? It is mostly light purple. How tall does it get? My guess is, I forgot, so it's probably 3 to 7 feet. How much water does it need? Full to part sun, and it likes moist water.
Hi, my name is Yale, and my plant is the spotted Joe Pye weed. This is a picture of it. If you look right there, that's this real spotted Joe Pye weed. It grows 7 to 3 feet tall. And it doesn't need a lot of moisture, and also it needs a lot of sun. I'm Natan, and my flower is a cone flower, and it needs like a lot of sun, and it grows to 24 to 36 inches. And it needs a little bit of water, but not a lot of water, like a bit of water.
Peace, love, pollinators. Superhero pose on 3. 1, 2, 3. Superhero pose. All right.